CapCut Windows provides auto caption feature that is useful for speeding up the video editing process. To add auto caption on CapCut Windows, you can follow these steps. Open the home screen of the CapCut app and create a new project. Import the video you want to add captions to into the project. On the bottom toolbar, find and tap on the Text button. Select the Auto Captions option. Choose the language of the audio in your video. CapCut will automatically generate captions based on the audio. Let's press the play button. How to change Zoom app profile pic in laptop desktop. To add or change your profile picture on Zoom, you can follow these steps. You can customize the appearance of the captions, such as font style, size, color, and position, by selecting the text and adjusting the settings in the editing panel. Once you're satisfied with the captions, preview the video to ensure they are synced correctly. Finally, export the video with the auto captions included. However, if you want to use auto caption, you must upgrade to CapCut Pro. That's it. You have successfully added auto captions to your video using CapCut. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.